So today I want to tell us one important truth that a lot of us don't know, and many big traders don't want to review this thing to the upcoming traders. You see, some persons have been some persons have had these issues about forex trading and capital in forex trading. The capital in forex trading is very, very important. Look, let me tell you, you cannot make money in forex trading with $50, $100, even $200. You cannot make money in forex trading with such amounts. Before you go into forex trading, first of all, you have to understand that forex trading is a high risk skill. It's not a business, unless just maybe you just want to treat it like a business. But you have to understand that forex trading is a very high risk skill. So whenever you are going into the market, any amount of the money that you are going inside the market with, understand that anything can happen. You understand? Anything can happen. You can blow this money, you can double the money, you can grow the money. A lot of anything can happen. So that's one thing you have to have at the back of your mind as a forex trader. So I want us to understand something here. If you're a trader and you are having a little capital, I will advise you to use that your capital and go and buy a perfume. It will help you to grow, and it will help you to widen your understanding, give you that leverage to last in the market for a very long time. These big traders you see, most of them only take 2 to 3 trades in a week. Most of them don't always take up to 2 trades. Some once 1 trade in a week, 2 trade in a week, just because they know they have the capital, and they will settle down and wait for that perfect setup to come. Then they will strike. Whatever happens, if they are in profit, they will flash it and show you. Your head will tumble. Once they are in loss, some few reputable traders will show their trades. Some will not show. So that's one thing you have to understand as a forex trader. You have to know that your little capital will not take you far. You can't make money with penny in forex trading. If you are trading with pennies, just like it will give you that mentality of gambling. It will give you that mentality of gambling because you feel like this is my $50. Let me let me let me hustle and double it, triple it. Then you are now thinking like a gambler. You understand? So whenever you hear people talking about taking taking trade in, like, whenever you want to place a trade, you place a trade with your 1% of your account. Now listen to yourself. If you have $100 in your account, and how much do you think is 1% of that $100 that you want to risk? You understand? So one thing you have to understand is that going into forex trading requires a huge fund. Huge funds. That is the only way you will succeed in this forex market. Have it at the back of your mind. You need capital, and a huge capital. If you have a huge capital, then secondly, go for the knowledge. Don't rush it. You have a huge capital, go for the knowledge. Once you balance with the knowledge, your psychology, your risk management, you see yourself, you flow. The rate at which you grow in this forex market, will a lot of person will be surprised about your growth, because why? You understood some things ahead of time. Some persons have the funds, but they don't have the knowledge. They will just jump into the market and run around. So when they get burnt out, they will come back and cry that the forex trading is a scam. No, it doesn't work that way. Even without your big funds, if forex market can fuck you up in a single day, one big candle will just clear up your accounts. So that is one thing you have to understand. Your risk management, that is all about, is just inclusive on this on the knowledge you need to get. So I'm stopping here today. Get this at the back of your heart. Whenever you're going into forex trading, You need capital and you need the knowledge. So subscribe to my channel, help me and grow. See you in the next one.